Some of those puffy cumulus clouds that have been building. Winds weren't bad. It was certainly humid out there this morning. If you were out walking around, taking the dog for a walk, or just kind of relaxing on the back porch with a cup of coffee. But we have some storms that'll be making their way into town. We're not really that concerned about tonight, although we are going to be tracking some storms, but more so tomorrow night and into Wednesday. So here's what's going on top of the radar. And as we zoom in a little bit tighter between Van Horn and Sierra Blanca, some showers and storms continue to make their way down towards the south. All right, you folks at Hatch, watching these storms out to the west of you guys. There's some big storms, lots of lightning with it. Just one south of town. We'll have to watch for these outflow boundaries. You know, they send out that gust of wind like a mini cold front, and that can initiate other storms, kind of what we've been seeing over the past several nights. Models have a hard time with those outflow boundaries, we call them as well. So they're kind of hard to predict where those things are going to form. You can look in and around some of the storms and look at these. North of you folks in the Deming area, we are in Luna County. Lots of lightning here. The storms are sagging south, heading towards Interstate 10. So we're certainly keeping an eye for you folks out in Deming. Farther to the north, we have more thunderstorms in and around Albuquerque, which will continue to make their way down towards the south. So we have a lot of this flow from north to the south. That's how it's going to be the next couple of days. And so we'll be looking for these storms to eventually grow and build and make their way towards us. All right, so here's a look at 6 o'clock. Our latest future track computer model. You can kind of pinpoint where we're anticipating seeing some of these showers and storms break out. You notice as we make our way towards a little bit later on tonight, a lot of these storms continue to push towards the southwest from the north. This model, again, not very bullish tonight and producing much activity, but you notice as we make our way to tomorrow morning, here's 7 o'clock, the clouds, we'll have some sunshine, some good daytime heating happening, and then by 11 o'clock, we'll be tracking some of these rain showers heading down towards the south. It's a little bit more active as we make our way into tomorrow evening. Look at 9 o'clock tonight, or tomorrow night, that is. Showers and storms make their way through Donietta County. They intensify. This particular model run indicating these storms by 11 o'clock start to blow up a little bit more across Donietta County. You folks in the Las Cruces area, they continue to drive down towards the south. And look at by midnight, quite a few thunder showers continuing to push down towards the south. This is going to continue into Wednesday morning, likely into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. So we're going to be looking at maybe some heavy rain coming our way from time to time. So the threat is going to be there tomorrow night and into Wednesday for maybe some isolated flooding in spots. And it could get rather wet again. So we'll watch that closely. Look at the temperatures out there with the humidity. Temperatures in the mid-90s. It certainly feels more uncomfortable out there. But we're looking at 93 in Alamogordo, 92 for you folks in the Deming area. So overnight tonight, 30% chance of storms, 71. That'll be until late tonight. Tomorrow, 91 degrees, but a 60% chance of showers and storms. 68 overnight in Las Cruces. Your high tomorrow at 90. Also, that 60% chance of showers and storms. 87 on Wednesday. First alert continues. Then we start to see a change. We dry out Thursday and Friday. Very slight chance for some rain. Temperatures will heat up, and the rain chances stay consistent through the weekend into early next week. We'll take a break. Be back after this.